What's up, guys? Today I am going to react to KindlyNxsh. You know this video? It's a video now. I remember him having the song trending on TikTok and Instagram and shit. But now there's a video, and I really like the song. So let's see what the boy is doing, huh?
Yeah, niggas talking about it's him, but he's not. Yeah, niggas talking about it's him, but he's not. Yeah, niggas talking about it's him, but he's not. Yeah, niggas talking about it's him, but he's not. Soldier man, soldier man, soldier man. Oh my god, bitch, it's young soldier man. Come say hi to my Glock. Whip is full of doper man. I put chains on my dogs. I never bow down for a man, but I send prayers to my ops. Stick go pow pow, little man. Chow chow, little thot. Yo, I'm getting chicken chow, man. I'm about to chow yo thot. Yo, I met her at the parkade. I'm starting to feel like a lot. I'm starting to feel like a slave. The way that I play with the ox. I'm in a boss like a.
See, at this point, you really can't recognize where this guy's from. This guy's South African, but his voice is crazy, man. He sounds Orkans like us South Africans, man. The fact that we grew up with TV English, we've watched so much American shit that we've just become them. Look at this kid, man. This kid just out of nowhere with this heat.
Pirate, Orlando, she like it.
Let me get back. Let me get back a bit.
I'm in a boss like a pirate, Orlando, she like it. You're on a militant Viking, commando, you're dying. I'm booming, I'm shining, your room need some lighting. I'm starting to feel like Rocky. Bitch is soldier man, soldier man, soldier man.
Hey, these kids love to drink. Hey. I don't know if this is a concern or not. I don't know. I think it's concerning. Hey, these kids love alcohol. Look at this. This is Jägermeister. Hey, yes. But I mean, he's heat, man. He's
soldier man, soldier man, soldier man. Oh my god, bitch, it's young soldier man.
I would prefer that the video was done in multiple locations, but now it seems like it's gonna be in the skate park only, which is kind of sad. But I mean, I heard Nasty C made a remix to this. I don't know. There's a song with Nasty C. I don't know, but I've heard that maybe they made a remix with Nasty with this. But we'll see soon. We'll see if it comes out or not. Hopefully, there's a better video. Yeah, but for this video, one location it's pretty cool. It's nice, but yeah, I mean, if this is the budget they had, then I mean it's fine. The song is still fire, so let's go with it.
Young soldier man, come say hi to my Glock. Whip is full of doper man. I put chains on my dogs. I never bow down for a man, but I send prayers to my ops. Yo, I don't make my way up.
Send prayers to my ops. Hey.
Now bad bitches is niggas is clowns. Only fuck with me when I'm around. Militant, I don't play around. Check the pics, I don't even smile. You see, I've been popping for a while. Haters by the river in the Nile. Down, haters by the river talking shit. I was chillin' in the mosh pit. Mommy kinda fly, she a jet. For I put her on my cockpit. Forget that I Lego block it. Catch her for the team rocket. How you got this sauce and lost it? Bitch, you're not him. Yeah, niggas talking about it's him, but he's not.
You know, I've heard the song so many times before that I know it. I've listened to the song. I remember when it first came out. It was an Instagram hype, but I really like this. I did research and I couldn't find it. And I was looking at Spotify. I couldn't find it anyway, but it was just on TikTok. Then I realized it's written "Don't Bribe Me" for some reason. Because don't bribe, there's no part of the song where he says don't bribe me. I don't know, maybe he does, I didn't hear. But it was very hard to find the song. But when I did, it had like 1,000, 1.2, 1.8 listeners on Spotify. And I listened to it for a while, and then a week passed by. And then the name changed. It had in brackets Soldier Man. You see as here, it had in brackets Soldier Man. And when I saw the listeners at that time, it went up to 100,000 something. So the name was the problem with the song. He named it "Don't Braai Me," which felt like it had nothing to do with it. But Soldier Man was supposed to be the original name of the song. It would have been found quickly and hyped up very quickly. But it was very hard to find the song. I'm glad that he made that change.
Yeah, next time body's him, but he's not. Soldier man, soldier man, soldier man. Oh my god, bitch, it's young soldier man. Come say hi to my Glock. Whip is full of doper man. I put chains on my dogs. I never bow down for a man, but I send prayers to my ops. Soldier man, soldier man, soldier man. Oh my god, bitch, it's young soldier man. Come say hi to my Glock. Whip is full of doper man. I put chains on my dogs. I never bow down for a man, but I send prayers to my ops.
Okay. Yeah, well, that's it. This is a very good song. This is a hype song. But now the problem is when a song trends on TikTok, it fades away very quickly. This could have been like number 1 for days. Like, I don't know, man. Billboard listing. This is a very nice song. But I don't know. I don't know about TikTok fame now. I'm just not sure because if you want to be TikTok famous, you like the peak is so steep. Like you go high very quickly and you go low very quickly. So don't know, don't know what to do with that. But hey, guys, yeah, that was it. Please subscribe, like the channel, like and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully more videos will drop soon. Peace out.